Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make aloo paratha. In a cooker, add the potatoes, salt and water and pressure cook it to 3 to 4 whistles. Once the potatoes are nicely cooked, remove the skin and mash the potatoes. To the mashed potatoes, add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin and coriander powder, finely chopped onions, coriander leaves and some kasuri methi. Kasuri methi enhances the entire taste of the aloo paratha. Mix everything nicely into a nice mixture. To make the dough for the aloo paratha, in a bowl add wheat flour, salt and oil and keep adding water little by little and knead it into a soft dough. The dough need not be very soft and sticky, it has to be rightly soft to get nice aloo parathas. Once the dough is ready, keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, knead the dough again. Take a lemon size of the dough, flatten it and add the filling in the center of the dough and cover it nicely so that the filling don't come out. And pat it dry on the floor and start rolling it with a rolling pin. In a frying pan, add oil. Once it is hot, add the aloo paratha and fry it on both the sides by applying the oil. Once both the sides are nicely fried, you can add the butter and fry it on both the sides as well. Here is super tasty aloo paratha ready to serve. Enjoy it with curd, tomato ketchup or your choice of chutney. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye.